button in for ignition, retard lever over to the right, throttle over to the left, push start button on the floor. Once it fires, put it over to advance and then slowly creep up the throttle. Compression is low, but not affecting too much of the running side of it. What is affecting the running side at the moment is the carburettor has a little bit of an issue. The primer isn't working. It will run until it empties the bowl of the carb,
yep.
And it's just not filling up quick enough to keep that constant fuel flow pulling through to keep the engine running. Once this is addressed, shouldn't be no problems at all.
Cool. And the gearbox?
The gearbox, that's all working, and the clutch is working. I haven't driven the vehicle as such, but I have tested the clutch. You can put the clutch down, pull it in gear without the vehicle launching forwards.
Okay.
I have done sort of a dry run with it as well, where I've had it in gear and just using the crank handle to turn the engine with it engaged in gear, and the reverse gear does work. It pulls backwards, and same with forward gears. Put it in gear, crank it over, it will pull itself forwards.
Great stuff. So we actually know the wheels are actually moving as well.
Absolutely. It only has brakes on the rear, they're not seized on, and the handbrake does work and it releases as well. So everything appears to be working exactly how it should do.
And the only thing we don't know about at the moment is the why the battery needs to be disconnected to turn the lights off, because we don't know how we turn the lights out.
It's got an ignition on here to disengage the starter motor, but it's not turning off the lights, so it's going to be a case of tracing the wiring loom to try and find out where that's going to see if there is a manual way of turning the lights on and off. If there is, then you shouldn't have a drain on the battery and you should be able to leave it.
One of those buttons we know is not working. It could well be that, and there's something in the back of that one.
There's no wiring going up to that one, but it may have been disconnected at some point.
Fair point. Brilliant. Thanks, Nick.
Hand in, turn till it locks and engages. And then it will turn, and then once it fires, let go, and the lever will disengage.